Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to create a graph in Google Sheets. So first what you want to do is put your data in. Here I have a simple XY chart, and then you're going to go up here to your menu bar and you're going to click Insert, and you're going to see all these options here, but we want Chart. And then it's just going to plop it down here with the title, which you can edit. And you can also see this is just a basic line graph. And if we want to change that, we can go to uh, Setup. And here we have line chart. It'll suggest different ones. You can do a column chart, you can do a pie chart, you can do scatter chart. And these are just the ones that Google thinks that you should use. There's many others down here. You can do an area graph where it's shaded, which is basically a line graph with the shading. And as you can see, there's several more options. There's a stacked bar chart. And you can just go through here and select all the ones that you want. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe and like the video. Thanks.